Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for Mrs. Afifah to give us the chance to present about the internal process of second language acquisition. My name is Raudatil Jannah.
My name is Sofiatul Holidiyah.
And now we will present about the internal process of second language acquisition. Here we have the PowerPoint about the internal processing of second language acquisition.
There are three factors about internal processing that learners study about the second language acquisition. The first factor is filter, the second factor is organizer, and the last factor is monitor. Filter and organizer are subconscious processor, and monitor is conscious processor. We go to the first factor, that filter. Filter is part of internal process system that subconsciously screen incoming language based on what psychologists call affect. It determines about 4 kinds. The first is which target language models the learners will select. Second, which part of the language will be attended first. Third, when language acquisition efforts should cast. And the last is how fast a learner can acquire the language. There are 2 kinds about filter. The first is motivation, and the second is emotional states. The first is motivation. Motivation here is tough as incentive, the need, or the desire that learner feels to learn a second language acquisition. There are 3 kinds of motivation. The first is integrative motivation. It means the desire to achieve a new language in order to participate in the life of community. The second is instrumental motivation. It means the desire to achieve new language for utilitarian reasons. And the last is social group identification. It means the desire to achieve new language by spoken by social group. The second kind is emotional state. There are 2 kinds of emotional states that affect language acquisition. The first is NCD. NCD here means number of studies has shown a relationship between low NCD and a successful language acquisition. And the second is relaxation. Relaxation, it means the studies relax mental state brought about by classical music, comfortable chairs, and the instructor modulation of voice if believed to increase the receptivity of the student to the new material. The next material will be continued by my partner.
So the second part of internal processing is the organizer. The organizer is the part of language learner's mind which works subconsciously to organize language system. So the organizer and the filter is work subconsciously process. There are 4 parts of the organizer. The first is transitional constructions. What is transitional constructions? The transitional construction is the language from learners use while they are still learning the grammar of the language developmental sequences. So this is used when the learners learn about the grammar of language. The second is error types. There are a lot of types of error types, but I will just explain one. There is the omission of grammatical morphemes. The omission of grammatical morphemes. It means there are some omission of that morphemes. Example, I buy some coloring book. That is wrong. The right one is I buy some coloring books. As here is the omission morphemes. The next is the acquisition order of structures. It means in the common order in which second language learners acquire the structure of the new language. So this is the structure of the new language. And the last is attempts to characterize the organizer. There are two kinds of this characterize. The first is linguistic complexity. That is the amount of discrete linguistic knowledge in the structure. And the second is learning complexity. That is the degree of difficulty a learner experiences in acquiring a structure. Next part is the monitor. Nah, the monitor is the part of the learner's internal system that consciously process information. So the monitor is consciously different with the filter and the organizer that subconsciously process, but the monitor is consciously process information. There are some the degree to which the monitors is used depends on at least first the learner's age or level of cognitive development. Second, the amount of formal instruction the learner has experienced. Next is the natural focus required by the verbal task being performed. And the last is the individual personality of the learners. Next to the next slide. Now, here there are 5 kinds of the monitor. The first is monitoring and the onset of formal operation. Nah, it means accumulated knowledge database normally written in human language. And the second is focus on linguistic task. Now, focus in linguistic tasks, there are 2 kinds of these. The first is linguistic manipulation task. It means the student attention on linguistic operation. And the second is a natural communication task. It means focus the student's attention to someone rather than the linguistic itself. The next is effect of formal instruction on monitoring.
Okay, the effects of formal instruction on monitoring here, it means the use of monitor doesn't injure the application of knowledge rules which learners produce. And the fourth is linguistic domain to the monitor. It means the use of this monitor is limited to lower level rules of the language. And the last is aptitude, metalinguistic ability, and the monitor. There are 3 components of mastering modern language aptitude test, or it's called MLAT, as following. The first is phonetic coding ability. It means the ability to store new language sound in memory. And the second is grammatical sensitivity. It means the individual's ability to demonstrate his awareness of the syntactical patterning of sentence in a language. And the third is inductive ability. It means the ability to examine language material and identify pattern to correspondence and relationship involving either meaning or grammatical form.
Okay, that's all about our presentation about the internal process of second language acquisition. Thank you and
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.